Hi friends, it's time to learn with Miley. Let's learn 12 farm animals with sentences. Let's start.
Cow, cow.
The cow is big and gentle. The cow is big and gentle.
Horse, horse.
The horse is fast and strong.
Pig, pig.
The pig is pink and chubby.
Sheep, sheep.
The sheep is white and fluffy.
Goat, goat.
The goat is playful and curious. Chicken, chicken. The chicken is small and busy.
Duck, duck.
The duck is yellow and noisy. Rabbit, rabbit. The rabbit is soft and quick.
Donkey, donkey.
The donkey is gray and friendly.
Turkey, turkey.
The turkey is big and proud. Rooster, rooster. The rooster is loud and colorful.
Dog, dog.
The dog is happy and loyal. Great job, friends. Now you know these farm animals.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.